Now. Galing eh. Very good siya, ate. O, diba? Nag-write yan eh. Galing. Pakita ko kay mama. Upload ko yan.
What's that sound?
Ay, naku.
I make a big one.
Sit properly. Okay. No, this is letter N, Joaquin. N yan. Going down. Going down.
Bakit R?
Going down nga, diba?
Bakit R yan?
Listen mo, nakaano ka dyan.
Erase?
Going, hindi tama pag gano'n.
Hindi,
Ito ang wrong sa A
erase.
mo, oo, wrong. Bakit gano'n? Parang O.
I-
I-erase? Ah, ito. Di, which one?
Ito.
Okay. Can you write A again? Kasi wrong siya eh. Okay, go. Nakatingin sa'yo.
Sino pa? Hindi ganyan usapan natin, ha?
Natan.
Pwede ka mag-cellphone pero
Enough.
kumakain.
Okay, O.
Kakain, I will get the cellphone.
Very good. Next.
Ano na kanin ko wala akong
W.
cellphone.
Is down. Very good. Science. Galing. Okay. Not a big dot.
I like it.
Okay. Next is sleeping line up. Slowly. Galing. Ang dami naman. Wait. Good evening po.
Ha?
Nag-write. Yes po. Very good. Madali. Naka-video ka. Okay. Next.
Very good. You also like... Ito Antay ka na lang sa lakas.
Kain na!
Kain na! Ano ulam? Malamang gulay. Malamang gulay.
Ay, sorry. Na-forget ko ito.
Forget mo. Forget.
Bakit na-forget
I
ko?
don't know. Next.
Hindi pa tapos. Wala ko yung gray.
A. Blue to blue. And down. And...
In the red.
Bakit di ka nakarating doon sa line, sa blue? Dadaan dyan yung airplane. Next.
Mag-crash yung airplane.
Oh, up to the blue. Up to blue. Blue. A. Very good si A. R. Okay. A again and T. Ang galing.